This segment of the video will show you how to interact with your students. So for that, these are the main things we are going to cover. Comes under the title Interactions. Suppose you want your students for this week to look at videos under processes and then solve some lab related to it. This is how you do it. So you need to specify that this week is, let's say, starting from February 3rd to February 8th. And you can also add a comment, watch what was mentioned. And here you will specify that they have to do the first lab, and as part of this they have to watch these two videos. And you say add. This is the schedule that is created, and you can see that as a student this is how it is going to look for the student, that you are saying watch what was mentioned, that watch these videos and do this particular lab. So this is something that is useful for you to specify to the student as to in a given week what portion they have to focus on. You can also interact with the students using a discussion forum. So for example, if you want to discuss something with them, some topic, you can specify and create some threads like this. So as you can see, this is the discussion forum. When you create a thread like this to the discussion forum, note that an email goes to all the students automatically, and when they click on the URL within that email, they can actually look at this particular discussion forum. So the discussion forum is integrated with email as well. So that is something to keep in mind. And similarly, if they post some comment, you as an instructor as well as other students will also get emails. So discussion forum is one other way to interact with students. One other thing to notice about this discussion forum is this email integration with discussion forum is a configuration parameter where under setting, if you see here, it says mandatory subscription of discussion forum for all students. What this means is if this is ticked, all students will receive emails whether they like it or not. This is instructor controlled. But if you uncheck it, they don't receive emails. They actually have to log in, click on the discussion forum to see what is happening. So this is some setting which you can decide whether you want the students to get discussion forum emails or not. Moving on to the third interaction with students, which is email and archive. In case the students are not subscribed to the discussion forum and you want to ensure that there is something important that all students within the class have to get this message, you can then use email archiving and thereby send some emails. So in this particular case, there is only one student. Often there are many students. And if you want to select all the students, you have to click this box, in which case it is going to select all the students, and then click on email. Then you can compose a message to the student and send that particular message. So mail sent successfully. And if you want to see what was sent, you can actually see this like this. So after the mail is sent, you have to refresh this page. To refresh a page, you can use Ctrl R and it will show what the message that was sent to the students. You can also see who are all the recipients. In this case, the recipients were the TA and the student. Both happen to have the same email address. So this is how you can interact with your students.